And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, my soup is done, and it's automatically keeping it warm. This is, as you can see, the Ninja soup maker. That's what it looks like, and I'm just going to pour it out now. So this is like an alternative to like a Stilton and broccoli soup. So this is cauliflower with a little bit of broccoli and cheese, but it's very much a Slimming World friendly. If you're on Slimming World, the only thing you would have to sin would be the little tiny bit of Parmigiano, because the cheese spread that I put in there, that is part of your healthy extra A. So it was roughly about 30 grams of Parmigiano, and this will do 3 people. So it's not a lot of sins at all. So it's very good on Slimming World. This is the cleaning function. So once you finish a soup, you can pop a little bit of water in the bottom, it heats it through, a little bit of washing up liquid in with it, and it cleans it. Then you just have to give it a little rinse out afterwards. But it's such a great soup maker. And the soup was delicious.
Trusting your instincts, realize that knowing looks different to each. When living authentic, do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, music.